Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to delete blank pages in MS Word documents. There are 3 tips you can delete your Word documents blank pages. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from a Word document I have typed a lot of informations, but the blank pages are there. So I would like to remove these pages. How to remove? So there are 3 steps. I have told you 3 tips. So first tips is, so if you want to delete this page, means your cursor should be on that page. So as you see, the cursor is blinking over here, so you can able to type, otherwise you can delete using your backspace. Similarly, use the same backspace to delete a page. Yes, within a few seconds my pages are deleted. So again, this also is an empty page. Use a blank space, that is black backspace in your keyboard. So once you click a backspace, automatically your blank page will be deleted and you will get 4 pages. So this is a beautiful option. So tip 1 is ready. So now I would like to share with a second tip. So how to delete in between pages, that is in between I have the document and I have the information in there. So this page I want to delete. What I have to do? So this is a tip number 2. So on your home button you will get a P symbol, that is paragraph symbol. So once you click a paragraph symbol, automatically each and every document, that entire document will get this kind of P symbol. So this is means paragraph symbol. So while you check all the documents, means the end of the key it will be the paragraph symbol. Once you remove, means automatically it will be removed. So while you going into the blank page, it will show the page break. So once you select the page break area and just press the delete key, automatically your entire page will be deleted over there. So as you see here, so for example, I just want to remove the one more page. I just insert the page. So once I insert the page break will be there. Just to select the page break and delete, means automatically that blank page will be deleted over there. If you want to remove the page mark, means just click here to remove the paragraph symbol. Yes, tip number 3 is, I have the page blank pages there in my document is inside this as well as the last page. So how to remove this? The third step, just go to view menu and you will find an option called navigation pane. Once you select and enable navigation pane, there will be an option called headlines, pages and results. Once you select pages, there are pages will be displayed over here. So page number 2 and page number 6 are blank. I want to remove this. So just select page number 2 and press delete key. Automatically that page will be deleted and page number 3 will be continue with page number 2, as well as page number 5 I want to delete. Just press select page number 5 and delete, means automatically the pages will be deleted over here. So as you see, so just delete means automatically that page will be deleted. So in between pages, if you want to delete, or in the pages last page you want to delete, or you want to delete the blank space of your documents, means this is a beautiful video for you to delete entire pages, so that unwanted pages you can delete and you can submit your assignment, you can submit your Word document for your office and all kind of purpose. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.